Hey there, and welcome back to TopApps.ai. My name's Cass, and I'm here to talk to you about the latest AI trends that keep coming out. AI is so hot right now, and our whole purpose on our channel is to make sure that you stay up to date on the latest and greatest. So if you want to know what the latest and greatest is, you know where to click. But before we dive into this, I just want to say that we have a really good video planned for you today. We are actually talking about the 5 best AI tools for YouTubers. What an appropriate audience for this. We could all use video tools that make video editing and video making easier, right? As content creators, we're constantly finding ways to kind of up-level our processes and make sure that we make our lives easier because we have businesses to run or we have stuff to do and we don't have time to be doing that nitty-gritty editing unless we want to be, because that can be fun sometimes. So let's jump right into our first tool. The first tool on our list is called VoxScript. If you've ever struggled to come up with engaging or captivating scripts for your videos, that is very challenging, worry no more. We have an incredible tool that is VoxScript. It's an AI-powered tool that helps you generate professional level scripts. That way you don't have to come up with the words on your own, and it's done in minutes. Just provide some basic information about your video and it will craft the script tailored specifically towards what you need. It's basically having a script writing bestie right by your side. So whether you're creating a tutorial, promotional video, or even just a vlog, VoxScript has got you covered. Next up, we have Video Insights. Wouldn't it be great if you could understand how your audience interacts with your videos? Now you can. Video Insights is an AI-powered analytics tool that provides you deep-level insights as it relates to your video's performance, and it tracks viewer behavior. It's pretty unique in this space, especially since we're all trying to figure out how to make our videos better, what we could be improving, where people are dropping off. As a content creator, I know I really appreciate that because we all can use some room for improvement, right? Like we all can improve something in our videos. Next tool, the third tool on our list, is SummarizeAnything.ai. So have you ever found yourself kind of with a lengthy video or article that you're not really sure if you have enough time to consume it all? Well, SummarizeAnything.ai solves that problem effortlessly. This incredible AI tool actually can summarize any video or text into concise and easy to digest snippets. So potentially for short form content, that's great. It's perfect for those on the go or anybody who wants to quickly grasp or understand the main points without investing too much time, because there's nothing worse than seeing like a 2-hour video and not being able to watch that whole thing. I always put the speed on 2x, but sometimes we don't even have that kind of time. Summarize Anything AI kind of allows you to choose the length of your summary and even provides audio playback. So that way you can kind of find, whether you're researching a topic or preparing for a meeting or simply trying to keep up with the latest trends, Summarize AI is your go-to tool. So say goodbye to information overload and a quick hello to efficient knowledge consumption. Now let's turn our attention to video highlights. So have you ever spent hours editing your videos? Who hasn't as a content creator? Trying to find the perfect moments to showcase is hard, and Video Highlight does that for you automatically. This ingenious video AI tool analyzes your footage, identifying key moments, and generates engaging highlight reels. This is actually really helpful for podcasters, especially if you do video podcasting, because it'll take those key moments so then you don't have to. And people hire actual people for that, so this saves you time and money. It's a game changer for content creators who want to captivate their audience quickly, and also for podcasters, in my opinion. Last but not least, we have Chat with Video. Imagine being able to interact with your video content directly. Chat with Video is now a reality. This revolutionary AI tool enables real-time conversations within videos. I didn't even think that was possible personally. I'm like, wait a minute, that's a thing? You can ask questions, get answers, and even make choices, making your viewing experience like really immersive and interactive and just so cool. Like it almost feels like 3D movie in a way, but with you're interacting in a completely different way. Chat with Video enhances learning experiences, improving customer engagement, and even adds a new level of fun and entertainment that we've never seen before. It's like having a virtual co-pilot while watching videos and providing valuable insights and engaging conversations right when you need them. And there we have it, you guys. 5 incredible AI tools that will transform the way that you create, analyze, and interact with video content. Vox Scripts, Video Insights, Summarize Anything AI, Video Highlight, and Chat with Video are here to revolutionize your video journey. And as a content creator, I can't even tell you how helpful these tools are, especially with long form videos. They take forever to edit. So go ahead and explore these amazing tools and take your video content to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.